Good morning, everyone. This is your GTA YouTube channel. We have right here 2003 Nissan Murano hard start. That's what the customer stay. Let's see. We need the scanner because when I brought it in, it was the check engine light on. Let's check it. Okay, I brought it in. We're gonna get okay. Let's open the key. Let's try to start this 2003 Nissan Murano. Well, seems to me something else started okay before when I brought it in the bay. So let's check genetic codes. I have the capability on this small scanner to do Nissan software. We're gonna check the genetic codes. It reads, let me see if I can point this up. Okay, P0335 genetic, and is a current crankshaft position sensor A circuit. So let's see what it says in number 2. Well, usually most of the time it's gonna say pending because the computer is always running the monitors, and crankshaft position sensor is one of the monitors contributing on the misfired monitor. So it's gonna be every single run, every single test that computers make is gonna do it constantly. Okay, so now for this kind, the code Nissan always have a problem with the crankshaft position sensor when they get too old. And let's take a look. It's 198,000 miles on this car, so probably the sensor is gonna be bad. I ordered already a sensor because I got the experience that when a car hard starting, and most of the time Nissans, they and when it get cold, the car started right away back home. So let's put a crankshaft position sensor on. Let me lift this car up and let's put it on. Let's see how easy or difficult this can be. Okay, all we need is a 10mm wrench and the flashlight, because you need to see very well. You see, you can nice position this flashlight in here, and that should be easy. So I already removed the crankshaft position sensor, the old one. I had it here, and it looks like this. So I ordered another one. I have it here already, so we're gonna install it. Let me take you over. So this is how it looks from the bottom of the car. Okay, so your catalytic converter, the number 1 is there, and as you can see, I set already off completely the crankshaft position sensor. I'm gonna point it with my finger right here. That's the hole, that's the 10mm bolt, and this is the connection goes to the crankshaft position sensor. So before I remove anything, I disconnect the sensor, check power, ground, and 5 volts reference to this connector. So everything is good right here, nothing is crushed or resistance or something in the connector, everything is fine. So go for it and replace the crankshaft position sensor. Let's grab the bolt out of here. So let's see if I can do it with one hand. Right there. It's a new sensor. So once it's in, put it down, snag it down. Don't go too crazy, because sometimes if you tie it too much, sensor is plastic, can break easily. So let's connect it. Okay, so we're done right there. Sensor is in. We can see it from down here. Sensor is in, so don't forget your tools. Put it away. Let's bring the car down. Okay, we are in the situation that we're gonna trying to start the car again back home, and it's gonna be faster right away. We have an engine noise too in this engine. This engine is 198,000 miles. So usually what I do is let the check engine light, in this case the service engine soon light on, and the computer is going to erase it until the computer sees that everything is fine. But in this case, we don't want to scare the customer. We're going to just clear the light. And shut the car off, open that off, open the key again. I'll try to erase it. Let me plug the scanner back on. Well, I had to check tire pressure too to see if any sensor is not good. Probably maybe one of them is not gonna be good, but the complaint is not that. So we're just gonna make sure tire pressure is fine, and we're gonna clear the code. We're gonna drive it for 15 to 20 minutes and then shut it off and try to start it back on again. And usually it's gonna be there, the code, if this new crank sensor is not good. So I don't think so. So thank you for watching. This is your Green Traffic Automotive channel, GTA. So like and subscribe. Thank you so much.